mid, and high rows. For these exercises, you will perform mid and high level rows. The main muscles targeted with these exercises include the rhomboids and the trapezius in the back, as well as the deltoid over the shoulder. Benefits of these exercises include strengthening the upper back and shoulders, postural correction, and shoulder blade movement control. A high row. Safely secure your band in a door jamb. Stand with your arms slightly extended. Engage your shoulder blades by drawing them down and back. Then bend your elbows and bring them just even with your torso. Slowly return to the starting position. Be mindful to engage your core by drawing your belly button towards your spine. Perform 15 repetitions, always keeping your shoulder blades engaged. Take a 1-minute break. Then perform your next set. Do 3 sets in total. Always remember to check your bands to make sure they're not cracked or split.